Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. In this session, we'll try to solve some problems related to banking recurring deposits specific to ICSE syllabus 10th class. Now, the formula what we are going to use in this particular concept is maturity value is equal to amount deposited plus interest. Now, how this formula is derived, that I will explain you at the end of the session after we solve around 2 to 3 problems. If you are interested, you can just go through the derivation part, or you just remember the formula. That should be okay. So let's go ahead with the first problem. Kiran deposited 200 rupees per month for 36 months in a bank's recurring deposit account. If the bank pays interest at the rate of 11% per annum, find the amount she gets on maturity. Now, whatever the formula we have, let's understand what each term is. Each is X. X is the amount deposited per month. N is number of months it is deposited. And R is the rate of interest. That should be okay to solve this problem. So let's go ahead and substitute. Maturity value equal to X 200 into number of months, that is 36, plus X is again 200 into N we know is 36, so this becomes 36 into 37 divided by 2 into 1 by 12 into rate of interest we know is 11 divided by 100. Now let us simplify this. 200 into 36 is 7200. After that, can we cancel something? We have 200s, 200 cancelling it out. Then we have 12 will go 3 times. So left out is 3 into 37 into 11. Now let us simplify that. That's equal to 7200 plus 111 into 11. That is, let's calculate that, 1111 and 111, that is 1221. That's equal to rupees 8421. So the maturity value is 8421, which is a straightforward problem. So let us try to solve 2 to 3 different types of problems in this particular concept. Let's go to the next problem. Let's look at the next problem. Shahrukh opened a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited 800 rupees per month for 1.5 years, that is 18 months. If he received 15,084 at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest per annum. Let's understand what we need to find out. We need to find out R. What has been given to us? We know the maturity value, we know X value, we know N value. So remaining all are known values. Only the thing we have to calculate is R value. So we can go ahead directly and substitute to solve this simple problem. Maturity value is 15,084 is equal to X is the monthly deposit, that is 800 rupees, into how many months we have deposited. Remember, N is always in months. 1.5 year is 1.5 into 12, that is 18 months, plus X, which is 800, into N is 18, 18 into 19 by 2 into 1 by 12 into R we have to find out. So let us simplify. We will have 15,084 is equal to 18 into 800 is 14,400, plus, let us try to simplify here. 2 into 100, 200 will go 4 times, 4 will go 3 times, 3 will go 6 times. So we will have 6 into 19, that is 114 R. Let us simplify that. We will have 15,084 minus 14,400 is 684. 684 equal to 114 R, which tells that R equal to 6%. So rate of interest is 6%. Look at the next problem. A man has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 3.5 years, that is n equal to 3.5 into 12, 42 months. If the rate of interest R is 12% and the man gets 30,618 on maturity value is 30,618, find the value of monthly installment. That means we have to find out the value of X. We know n value, we know r value, we know maturity value, we have to find out X. So let's go ahead and substitute the values. Maturity value is given as 30,618. Let's write down that. So can we go ahead and say 30,618 is equal to X we don't know, we have to calculate. N we know, 3.5 years, that means n equal to 3.5 into 12, which is equal to 42 months. So n is 42 plus X into 42 into 43 divided by 2 into 1 by 12 into R. R is 12%, so 12 by 100. Let us simplify this now. We will have 30,618 is equal to 42 into X plus, let us simplify, 12 and 12 will cancel. Then we have 2 will go 21 times. Now let us simplify that. That will be 21 into 43 X. Shall I write down? 43 into 21 X plus 100. Let us simplify this. In the next step we will have 30,618 equal to, taking LCM, we will have 4200X plus 43 into 21, that is 903. So that means that is equal to 5103 X by 100. Now we can see that 5103 will go cancel in this for 6 times. So X equal to 6 into 100, that is equal to 600 rupees. So these are the 2 to 3 different types of problems which we can expect in ICSE for banking recurring deposits. Now, as I said earlier, let us see how this formula for maturity value is derived, which takes around couple of minutes. Then we will close this session. Now, what is the difference between savings deposit and recurring deposit? In recurring deposit, we have to deposit a fixed amount every month, whereas in saving deposit we deposit the amount whenever we want. So we don't have a constraint that we have to deposit every month. Now let's say that suppose we have deposited X rupees for n months and the bank has informed us that we will be paid an interest at the rate of R% per annum. Now, since we are depositing every month X rupees, what the amount we will be getting on maturity, let us understand this now, how we are paying, how we are doing the deposit. Let us say the first month, second month, third month, fourth month, like that we have n months. On the first month we are depositing X rupees, on the second month we are depositing X rupees, on the third month we are depositing X rupees, on the fourth month we are depositing X rupees, like that we are doing for n months. Now amount deposited is very easy to understand, because every month X rupees for n months, it will be nothing but X into n, and for that we have to add the interest whatever we have to get. Now coming to the interest, here is the interesting thing. We have to understand now how to calculate the interest. Now let us say, suppose we considered the first month amount what we have deposited. For this we will get interest for n months. And let's go to the second month deposited amount, that is x. For that we will get interest for only n minus 1 months. Let's go to the third month deposit, that is x rupees again. For that the interest will be calculated only for n minus 2 months. So you can see that the last one will be calculated only for 1 month. Now let us try to understand how this interest value looks like. Interest, what we are going to get is interest for first month deposited amount plus interest for second month deposited amount, or x, actually it is a fixed amount. Like this we have to do for n months. Now we know that we can calculate the interest separately, so let's go ahead and do that. The first month deposited amount we have to get interest for n months. So let's write down interest formula is SI equal to PTR by 100. So x into time is for n months into R by 100, n months, so n by 12 years. Let's go to the, for the interest for second month, that will be again deposited amount is x, but now it is only for n minus 1 months. So multiply that with R by 100. Like that, if we go, the last one will be x into, for 1 month only, 1 by 12 into R by 100. Now you can observe that I can take xr by 12 into 100 common in this. Then what is left out is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n values. And we know sigma n equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So that's how we got x into n into n plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 12 into R by 100. That is how the formula for the interest is derived. Once we got the formula for interest, we can go back and substitute maturity value equal to amount deposited x into n plus interest, which is equal to x into n plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 12 into R by 100. So those are some problems related to banking recurring deposit. Please do let me know your feedback. Thanks for your time and support. Your feedback helps me to improve the quality of the videos and the content. Thank you. Bye for now.